dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
My people, the RI0US has accused 3 Southeast governors and some members of the National Assembly from the region of persistent sabotage of freedom of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu. My people, no be small matter. Moving on after this, we have the candidate of the People Democratic Party in Edo State governorship election, Dr. RI0US, has released a comprehensive manifesto for the growth and prosperity of Edo State. All right, my wonderful people, before I go proceed, I go welcome una, especially to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest Gist, as we dey bring una back-to-back update and information as they hot. So if today na your first time to join this wonderful channel, abeg make una like, subscribe and share. But don't forget to turn notification bell so that anytime our news drop, you'll be the first to watch. And my people no be small kata they happen for this country, but una relax. I go dey bring una the story as they come our way one after the other. To all our amazing subscribers, I welcome una especially. Thank you all so much for joining us on today's news. Oh yeah, my people, make I dive into the main story. Now, my people, the RI0US, the Apex Igbo Social Cultural Organization, don't go accuse the 3 Southeast governors and some members of the National Assembly from the region of persistent sabotage of freedom of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu. The group said that the governors and their clique had persistently plotted to frustrate the out-of-court settlement between the Nigeria government and Nnamdi Kanu. So, in a statement RI0US issued by their Secretary General Okechukwu, so they are alleging that the governors and other political leaders were obstructing the progress towards Nnamdi Kanu freedom because of their personal interests. So they are warning those who seek to obstruct Nnamdi Kanu's release to be mindful of the repercussions of their actions, that the recent developments surrounding the possible out-of-court settlement between the federal government and Nnamdi Kanu have brought a glimmer of hope to Nigerians and Ndigbo alike. So the Federal High Court Abuja decision to adjourn the proceeding till September 2024 with a directive to both parties to explore negotiation and settlement indicates a potential path towards justice and reconciliation. So amidst this ray of hope, there are troubling signs of dissent and selfish motive within certain quarters. So my people, RI0US are troubled about what is going on because these individuals are driven by their personal interests and they are unwilling to relinquish their grip on power and wealth, even at the expense of justice and peace. My people, RI0US said that the criminals that have been disguising themselves as Biafra agitators, such as Simeon Nkpa and his allies, they have continued to perpetrate acts of violence and criminality. That this has further exacerbated the already dear security situation in the Southeast. So now they are expressing their deep concern over the action of a particular Southeast governor who has consistently impeded Nnamdi Kanu's release since May 2022 for selfish political reasons and fear of Nnamdi Kanu's opposition to his government. So the group are saying that they missed opportunity during former President Muhammadu Buhari's visit to Ebonyi for the commissioner of the Ebonyi International Airport on May 5th, 2022, due to the governor's interference. That is clear indication of political sabotage. Now, my people, RI0US don't come and cut us. They don't go for their hand, though. Can they watch all these governors? May they continue to undermine the interests of the people for their gains. Because if we check them, the people of the Southeast were wary of the ongoing security challenges and economic disruption that has plagued the region. So now the RI0US, they tell all of them, say any attempt, they want them seriously, or any attempt to subvert the process towards peace and justice in the region would be sternly dealt with. So now many people witnessed during the time some of the governor wanted to go and see him in DSS, and Nnamdi Kanu told them that they should not allow them in. They should not allow Soludo, the Anambra State governor, to see him, and so many other governors that came at that moment. So without thing will happen, many people they feel say these are the governors RI0US are talking about, because they truly know that most of them had hand in what is still keeping Nnamdi Kanu in detention. But to me, if there is any way they can reach out to them and know their grievances towards Nnamdi Kanu, so that the Southeast will have their peace. Honestly, they have been suffering from IPOB action in that region. Because RI0US and so many other persons in the Southeast have to unite and not divide. That is the way to make peace. They should go there and ask them what is their problem, so that Nnamdi Kanu can be free from detention and the Southeast will be free from IPOB actions. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Moving on to the next one. The candidate of the People Democratic Party in the September 21st governorship election in Edo State, RI0US, has released a comprehensive manifesto for the growth and prosperity of the state. So the document, which was released on Monday, titled The Pathway to Prosperity for All. Dr. RI0US had so many things in that document that he wants to unleash if voted into power. His manifesto identifies where the Edo State is, where it wants to be, and what to do to get there. So the document focuses on critical areas such as insecurity, infrastructure development, healthcare delivery, education, employment, and a lot of things he listed. Why people don't be so bad. And the things are the promises that will positively, lift the living standard of Edo people and spread prosperity among all of them. So the manifesto deals with the economic transformation that will involve the diversification of the economy, promote industrialization, and create jobs. That as for infrastructure development, he promised to improve road network, water supply, and electricity. On education, he will focus on how to revamp the education sector, and he's going to improve teacher training and increase access to quality education. RI0US also said that he's going to upgrade the healthcare facility, he's going to improve healthcare services, and he will reduce infant mortality. That will be the focal point in healthcare delivery. So in all his physical engagements, he has spoken passionately about prioritizing security. So he believes that once a government can ensure the safety and security of all citizens, that tackling kidnapping and armed robbery, a lot of things will fall in place. So he has also emphasized good governance, which will involve promoting transparency, accountability, and inclusiveness in government. So in the days and weeks ahead, that the full manifesto will continue to unfold, even as the people reveal it in the run-up to the election, that he promised to put everything in place. Once they vote him in, my people don't be small water. Now people come, they wonder, be say, now this kind of promise will be say Governor Godwin Obaseki give them, but they don't see anything. Because Governor Godwin Obaseki no do anything during the time he enter. Now we'll be saying one con they come out, they make in the rush, they fix some of the things. Say I hope say RI0US logo be like Governor Godwin Obaseki. Why some people accepted that Governor Godwin Obaseki really worked when he became governor in 2016. So my people, make una tell me how una see this manifesto. If at all these things we RI0US released, he go do the same thing where they inside that manifesto. People don't get wàhàla. So my people, make una tell me how the Edo governorship election one bill. Who na feel say na him go fit govern Edo State? I bet una let me know in the comment section. I go like hear from una. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Really do appreciate. On this note, we have come to the end of this segment. Like, come here when it's the safeguard.